Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see your Instagram password here. Okay, let's start the video. There is no option to view the Instagram app password here. So exit the Instagram app and follow my all steps. First, open your phone setting. Scroll down, find the Google app here.
Subscribe
Tap
if you
on
like the video.
Google and then
finally
tap
sign
Password
out
Manager.
your Gmail account.
Now select your Instagram account. Here you can see your password by clicking on the eye icon. Finally, solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.